Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. Happy Sunday to you. Marcus and I are just sitting outside on a Sunday afternoon, just relaxing. Hello.
Supposed to be watching us on Facebook. We're live right now.
We're live.
We're live right now.
We're live, Karen. You want to join us? So we are live. It is Sunday afternoon, and Marcus
Karen's one of our favorite fans.
Yes,
our top fans. She's watching.
Walking in for dinner. So we are just sitting outside. We just poured ourselves a nice glass of rosé, some Primitivo rosé. Cheers. And I guess you're supposed to drink. It's bad luck, right?
Mm-hmm. Just look each other in the eyes too when you cheers.
I don't think you have to do that.
You don't?
No.
I thought you had to.
So we are wrapping up a very, very, very busy weekend. A very busy week for us. We had an awesome, amazing week. And we are gearing up for another busy week. We have a lot of catering coming up and a lot of events next week. We have a beer dinner tomorrow night.
I'm excited about the beer dinner tomorrow night. We're doing... I've been meaning to send out... We've been so busy. I've been trying to send out a beer dinner email since Friday. It's been almost ready to go. I just have to add my copy, my text in there. Our graphic artist did everything. We've been so busy, I haven't had a chance to do that.
Even look at it, yeah.
I just got on my computer for the first time in a couple of days.
Yeah, it has been super busy. We had 2 catering jobs this weekend. We were away with the kids. We went to Lake George for a couple of days last week just to get away with them. And the restaurant itself has been really busy. The Airbnb's been busy.
Airbnb's been busy.
I mean, it has been busy. Our driver had people go out yesterday. So we've been busy, super busy. So we have a beer dinner tomorrow night, 4 beers and a dish for $29. It's a steal. Monday night in our garden, 6:30 it starts.
Rumor has it we're doing rack of lamb.
Ooh.
That's what the rumor is. That's the dish tomorrow night is rack of lamb.
I wonder what that's going to come with.
I don't know yet.
Maybe some potatoes?
Yeah. Something.
So if you are interested in coming to our beer dinner, 647-3000, give us a call, make a reservation. Our next wine dinner will be next Monday, 6:30, 4 wines and a dish for $29. Get in while you can, everybody. It's outside in our garden. I don't know what our next wines are going to be. We'll probably decide tomorrow.
Come up with a theme for that, yeah.
Yeah, come up with a theme. And then we have an event in the garden Tuesday. Private event, because we're not open Tuesday or Wednesday. We have another private event on Wednesday. And then we have the Blueberry Festival in Ellenville on Saturday. That is from 9 to 4, I believe. And then we have a catering thing on Saturday. Gosh, we're so busy, and I have to work.
We're not really opening for the Blueberry Festival.
We're not. We're actually going to open at our regular time at 3 o'clock on Saturday, and because we have an event that we're catering Saturday afternoon, early afternoon, so we don't have enough hands, and our kitchen is real small, so to get super busy at noon is tough. We don't normally open till 3, so we're going to stay that way. Our bar will be open. So if you want to come in and get a drink, our bar will be open.
We will have a booth out front of the restaurant for Blueberry Festival. What date is Blueberry Festival?
The 14th. Saturday, August 14th.
So we will have a booth out front, but we're not going to be doing food this year.
No.
We're going to be promoting...
We haven't done food in a few years.
We're going to promote, not even doing the restaurant, we're promoting our wine tour business.
Yes.
We're promoting our wine tour business, our Hudson Valley wine tour business, so we'll be out there doing that. And I even think we're doing a prize, like giving away a tour.
Ooh.
I think that's what we're doing. Courtney and I did some stuff and
Awesome.
Ordered some signs and posters and some stuff for that. So we'll be doing our wine tour business out front. So that's exciting. Let's see.
Thank you everybody for watching.
Got
and
a bunch of new people on. Not new.
Hello Cheryl. Hello Albert. Ralph is on. Wanda, Joel, Nick. So thanks everybody for watching. Marvin. So thanks everybody for
different time of the day, different day.
Yeah.
Right. So we never do a Facebook Live on Sundays like this.
No.
So that's we got some different viewers on, some familiar faces, but just different viewers.
So thank you for joining us and watching us.
We're out on the sidewalk right now.
So it's a little bit louder because you can hear the cars going by. We're sitting in front of the restaurant. We don't normally seat out here unless we have to. You're more than welcome to sit out here, but we normally seat out back in our garden area.
We have like 18 tables back there or something.
Do.
More than inside the restaurant.
Yes. So on nice nights, we're outside in the garden. If it is rainy and cold, we're inside in the restaurant. You're more than welcome to sit at the bar. The bar is available. Limited seats there, first come, first serve. I definitely recommend reservations on any night, especially the next couple of weeks. August seems to be even busier for us. And
I'm exhausted right now. Like,
yeah, we are tired.
I could literally go take a nap right now. I know that you and I are going to jump into work because we're getting busy here.
We're getting busy,
but like, I literally just want to go take a nap.
Yeah,
I know
we've
it's the
been
heat.
saying that since this
I know
morning.
it's the heat too. And we had a big check-in at the Airbnb today. The pool is looking amazing at the Airbnb.
It's beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
It actually looks really, really good.
I added a little water to it today. I had to have the robot in there cleaning today, and I was like, I'm ready just to jump in.
I know.
Like, I'm totally just
we
ready.
can't wait for there to be no guests during the week so we can go swimming there.
It's a great. Everybody who sees the pool loves it. It's only 4.5 feet deep and it has steps from both sides. And the second step is a wide. Have you seen the second step?
No.
It's a wide step, so people can sit and hang out at the edge of the pool there. So we kind of created like a hangout pool. There's no deep end. It's 4.5 feet.
It's looking good. I mean, I gotta say, even the pavers around it are looking beautiful. Hopefully it'll get finished this week.
Right.
But it is looking nice. So it is really a beautiful pool, and a great job. So I can't wait to get in it. We've yet to be in it.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, well, I mean, it's not officially ready.
It's not officially
ready to go in.
I can't wait
But
to go in.
it's salt water, it's balanced. The pavers are 3/4 of the way done. We threw the fence. I got an alarm. Because you need an alarm for kids.
Kids, yeah.
So I got the alarm. So we're almost there.
There.
To call the town and say, hey, can you come give us our CO, sort of occupancy. So we're almost there.
Awesome.
So we're just getting online and just doing a weekend wrap up right now. We've never really go on at this time.
We have to remember our $9.99 special. We have to figure out what we're doing for next week. This week it is shrimp scampi with sauteed veggies and broccoli for $9.99 to go. Of course, our regular menu is available as well. I'll be back. I think I'll be back all week. I think I'm around all week to do a Facebook Live around 4 o'clock.
Yeah, so we don't have any travel plans this week.
No travel plans. So.
Which
Gosh,
is nice.
I'm yawning too. You keep yawning and I keep yawning.
Oh my gosh.
So thanks everybody for watching. Hello Ann, hello Pat, Karen, my mom is on. There's a bunch of people. If you're watching us live, if you can put #live in the comments. Watching on the replay, #replay, give us a thumbs up. Marcus and I just love to give you an update of what's happening, what we're doing, what we're busy, and all that stuff. So every once in a while, our Facebook Lives are just about telling you what we're up to.
Yep.
So lots of catering, lots and lots of catering stuff.
If anybody has any questions, now's a great time to ask any questions.
Yeah.
So ask away.
The Shadowland opens next weekend too.
Shadowland opens up next weekend, yeah.
Next
so the
Friday night, the Shadowland opens.
Yeah. So, would be. You and I spent a lot of time weeding today in the garden this morning.
We did. We spent a lot of time.
I ran 5 miles this morning. First time I ran 5 miles in a long time.
I walked 4.
So that was really nice to do that. It felt really, really good.
The beer dinner is not sold out, Cheryl. We still have spots available for the beer dinner. If one person drinks beer and one person drinks wine, we'd be happy. We'd be happy to give you wine, and one have beer, one have wine. So, right, if you want. Look up about wine tour and Airbnb. Okay, Ralph is just kind of giving us a plug there about the wine tours.
Yep. So basically what the wine tours are in the Hudson Valley is we send a driver to your location and they drive your car, licensed, insured, all that kind of stuff, background check the drivers, and we send them to your car and they drive your car for a great price. It's a lot cheaper than an Uber. It is a lot better than a limo. And it is a fraction of a DWI.
Yeah.
And it's a lot safer than a DWI. So we'll drive you around to whatever wineries you want to go to. We'll help you pick out the wineries.
We'll help you make an itinerary.
We'll send lunch with you, that stuff like that. So if
we did a big charcuterie board yesterday.
Yeah, so if you're 2 or 4 people, it's perfect for most cars. If you have a van or have a third row, then you can do 5, 7, 6, 7 people. And so it's $42 an hour, and it's a great deal, and it's awesome. So check out VIP. Actually, check out besthudsonvalleyWineTours.com.
Okay.
BesthudsonvalleyWineTours.com. We were on page 8 of Google few weeks ago, and we did an overhaul of that whole SEO, and we're on page 2 right now.
Awesome.
So
people are finding us.
People are finding us. We're getting calls.
It's great to go out and have a driver. don't risk drinking and driving. It's not worth it.
Yep.
Have us get a driver for you. Drive your car.
And it's not only the wineries. It can be breweries, distilleries,
Yeah,
or it can be a night on the town.
Could be a night on town.
If you want to go to the casino or something, or if you want to go to Newburgh to the waterfront, and you want a driver at night, we can do that. Last week we had a semi request to drive a truck down to Brooklyn. We just couldn't figure out a way to get the driver back from Brooklyn. They bought a truck up here, and we're like, I need the truck delivered to Brooklyn. And we're like, we can drive it there. We just have to figure out how we're getting the driver back.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
So yeah, that was a mini request last week, and they're like, oh yeah, that kind of wouldn't work. So because they asked us, can you drive down for us? So we just couldn't get the driver back.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, so it goes beyond wine tours.
Yeah.
We can drive your car, things, even the airport and stuff like that. We'll drive your car back and forth.
Yeah.
So
that's a quick little update for you. Beer dinner tomorrow night, 6:30, 4 beers and a dish for $29. Blueberry Festival next Saturday, August 14th. Wine dinner on 16th, on the 16th, and we'll get some information there for you. And that's, I think that's it. Thanks everybody for watching us. We really appreciate it. We appreciate everyone's support and just, knowing that we're here and coming to support us and watching us and listening to us. Sometimes Marcus can rant. No, I'm kidding.
Rant and ramble.
Rant and ramble.
Rant and ramble.
But we love that we have a lot of the same people on. And I think that's it.
Yep, that's it.
Cheers. Hope everybody has an awesome night. And we'll talk to everybody soon. Have an awesome, awesome night. See you everyone tomorrow.